And I'm Sakshi Devedi with you all guys today. So what's today's session is going to be about? How we are to venture on this new journey of creative learning, develop, progress and conquer upon this power of influence and power of creation. So let's talk about art of speaking in this context, which is made up of two words in general, art and speaking. Now what is art? Art is that part that can give your unimaginable hypothetical situations a particular form, and the most end of the formless thoughts also your perceptions, giving vision to others to view your piece as per the means you want them to. This is the power of influence that speaking carries, the kind of influence that it can have on the crowd. You can write up of your speech, but your tone, your pitch, your regard and your interaction can change the whole game. So the ball is in your court. This is the art of speaking. It can have a positive impact or it can have a negative impact. But ultimately, it's that art which we all are talking about. Coming up with a statement where I feel that art of speaking is an art in which everyone can be an artist over a period of time, with certain changes in personality, mindset, perceptions, how you perceive other ideas and how you let yourself flow in front of others. By making such changes, many people might actually regard it to be a hoaxy statement, but I assure you to believe it with certain direct and straight evidences. Because when I talk about speaking, whether it's in the civilization of humans, when we had no means of speaking, when we had no scripts, it's the basis of history formation. Even if it is based on mere assumption, it tells that how much important it was to look upon the fact that how they used to interact, how they used to speak, what was the means of communication. It is very important. Communication revolution, as for me, is one of the greatest gift for human civilizations, because it's something that has to do with the speaker as well as the listener. Now, let me take an example that another lot of people would come and say that we actually speak in our day-to-day lives. So why is there a need to be artistic in that? It's normal, it's general. And if at all it is required, then why we need to be artistic in that? So my dear friends, I want to tell you that speaking, when I'm talking about, it's a wider and much wider, beyond your imagination field that can never be conquered even by one of the best speakers or the best orators. You every time have to learn something, because the best part of it is being speaking cannot be taught to anyone. It cannot be hereditary. It cannot be passed on in a hierarchical manner. It has its own ways, it has its own style, it has its own charisma. Therefore, whenever you say to anyone that I want to be like that person, I want to speak like that person, it's not possible. If you have passion for it, if you have cravings for it, you will have your own style that is bored there. So you need to actually come up with that. You need to polish it over a period of time. Because if you take 5 students randomly, the great speakers in ascending, descending, in whatever order, you will notice that each and everyone have their own style. That's why they are best. It's not that they are best so they have a particular characteristic. And though many people might also argue that speaking is nothing like acting, dancing, like dramatics we say, but it has elements of all of them in one. And when they combine with each other, they're a supernova. Believe me, they act like a supernova. So it's very important. Like the 5 students, the first one might be a sweet comb. He would be very sweet to the mic, to the public, to the audience. The second one might be aggressive. Aggression in the sense that it seems so natural that he has his own tone of referring to situations. The third one can be resistive. Similarly, the fourth one can speak in disguise. He would mean something else, but he would speak something else so that it is not offensive, and at the same time his ideas are transmitted to the target audience. So this is what art of speaking all requires, and by working on them, we can conquer this. So this is all. Keep polishing, keep nourishing, keep growing. This is my message.